What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if Bluetooth is not working in your Redmi cell phone. So first of all, swipe down and open quick settings panel, and from here turn on and off Bluetooth 2 to 3 times. So after doing this, the Bluetooth will start working properly. But if it doesn't work, then the next solution is open settings, scroll down, and here tap on apps, and then in apps tap on manage apps. Now scroll down and here tap on Bluetooth, and after opening the Bluetooth app tap on storage. Now clear the cache memory and app data. So to do this, tap on clear data, and then from here tap on clear cache to clear the cache memory. Now here from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm, and then to clear the data tap on clear all data, and then from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm. So after doing this, the Bluetooth issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold the power button, and then swipe down this circle. When it gets green, you can release your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, it will fix small software glitches like Bluetooth issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on about phone. Now from here, if your phone's software is not updated to the latest version, then update the software, and after updating the phone's software, the Bluetooth issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the Bluetooth not working issue on your Redmi cell phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.